Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tower defense game. This popular strategy genre challenges players to protect a base from incoming enemy waves. You'll strategically place various defensive structures, or towers, along a predefined path. As enemies are defeated, players earn in-game currency, which can be used to construct more powerful towers or enhance existing ones. The core gameplay loop involves continuous planning, building, observing, and adapting your defenses to overcome increasingly difficult challenges. Crafting engaging towers and enemies is crucial for a compelling game. Towers should offer distinct attack types, like single-target damage, area of effect, or crowd control, each with varying ranges and costs. Similarly, design diverse enemy units with different health, movement speeds, and armor types to create strategic depth. An effective upgrade system allows players to enhance tower attributes such as damage, range, or unique abilities, providing a satisfying sense of progression throughout the game. Bringing your tower defense game to life involves several key development steps. First, design your game map, clearly defining the enemy paths and designated areas for tower placement. Next, implement a dynamic wave system that spawns enemies with progressively increasing numbers and difficulty. Develop intuitive user interfaces for players to easily select, place, and upgrade their towers. Finally, integrate compelling visual and audio assets to create an immersive and engaging gameplay experience for everyone. Balancing is paramount for a fair and enjoyable tower defense game. Carefully adjust tower attributes like damage, attack speed, range, and cost in relation to enemy health, speed, and armor. This iterative process involves extensive playtesting to identify any imbalances or frustrating difficulty spikes. Use player feedback to refine game mechanics, tweak numerical values, and ensure that every strategic choice feels meaningful and rewarding, leading to a truly polished experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.